Zioncom was established in 1999 with nearly 20 years of experience in the field of manufacture networking device. Zioncom now owns 2 factories and R&D departments. Zioncom's products has been present in more than 50 countries and regions, and Zioncom is one of the leading network device manufacturers and developers. With this strategic vision, in 2015, Zioncom has invested in building the first network device factory in Vietnam. Zioncom Vietnam Factory was opened in 2017 at Vietnam Singapore 2A Industrial Park Tân Nguyên Thao, Bình Dương Province. Zioncom Vietnam Factory covers an area of more than 25,000 square meters, including factory, office, dining room, and dormitory buildings, which have been built up to the standards of labor safety and environmental protection. Quality of material and quality of the product are the vital factors of business. In Zioncom, all the material, the components, must meet all the parameters specified by the QC, from examination, classification, and storage. Oriented to become the first network device manufacturer in Vietnam, Zioncom always tried best to invest in upgrading production lines and technologies to bring to Vietnamese users the best quality of network device with an affordable price. With SMT modern production lines that can operate through our own weekday, Zioncom Vietnam now can produce more than 1.5 million products per month. The advanced SMT technology, with the expertise of the specialist, Zioncom achieved ISO 14001-2015 and ISO 9001-2015 and get the requirements of Vietnam ICT standards. All Zioncom products are eligible for ICT, CE, FCC certification. Zioncom products are manufactured by automatic machine, semi-automatic machine, and manual by human, under the strictly controlled and regulated to improve efficiency as well as accuracy and completeness of the product. Zioncom applies the quality control process with the specialized equipment and product aging testing methods. All products before come to customers must be satisfied on QC standard and professional testing to ensure the stability and durability of each product. The TOTOLINK products always aim for. In order to achieve that, Zioncom is constantly promoting research, investment and product development, applying modern technologies to production. To do this, the human factor is always promoted by the company. The production team of Zioncom is well-trained with high professional skills. Along with that, the team of experienced managers, enthusiastic, always follow the company's activities and have reasonable development policies. Technology is the key to the future. Zioncom Vietnam always want to develop together with the high technology industry of Vietnam, supporting the modern life of people. Zioncom, established in 1999,